Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how easily removing Coinbase account restriction during you try to add a bank account number. It gives such kinds of message say you cannot add payment method while your account is restricted. This is very easy. I will show you how you can fix this error. But if you are a newcomer for this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share my video. Let us start how to fix if you have Coinbase account and work on online, or if you work on some online. Then if you want to deposit your money in your bank account, they say your payment method will, while your account is restricted, it is closed. So we will fix it now. So okay, go to need help, click on need help to contact Coinbase owners. Then scroll down and get contact us. Then you get contact us, click on contact us. Then here it is. We have different options. The first one is Coinbase, to buy, to sell, use, spend cryptocurrency and borrow cash. The second one is Coinbase Pro, that means it is advanced cryptocurrency trading. The third one is Coinbase custody, cryptocurrency customer for institutional purpose. This is a Coinbase NFS, discover, showcase, purchase and create NFTs. The other one is store your own cryptocurrency. Coinbase Commerce, accept cryptocurrency payment. And the other one is cloud, that is Coinbase Cloud API and services. The other one is Coinbase in and give cryptocurrency. But what we need is to manage our account. So we select the first one, that means buy, sell, use, spend cryptocurrency. Click on it. Then drag down. Then from this, let's get started. From this we have different options for borrowing, for coin card, for this e-underscore, you need help, sign into my account, manage my account, other issues, taxes, trading and others. But what we need is to managing our account to add a payment method. So what we select is managing my account. Then what is your issue about? The issue is about this linking a payment method. What we need to do now is to linking some bank account to Coinbase. So we select linking payment method. Thereafter, the last one is what seems to be help the problem. Is from if there is no other technique, we may need to proceed. But what we do is other issues. Then we put our email, the email we use during we sign up in Coinbase systems. Then subject is account restriction, or account is restricted to add the payment. Then we can write this message. I will give you this message under description button. You may get this message from description button. Then after, send verification email. We get 6-digit verification email. Then go there and find the verification number from my own email. So until the Gmail is loading, we will wait. Then here it is help. I have one message, Coinbase support, please verify your email. So click on add. It's loading now. then here it is 6 digits, then copy it, copy this one, copy, then go to contact us, paste here, then submit. This successfully. As you see here, thank you for taking time to contact us. We are currently receiving high number of requests, so we may take longer to respond, but our team is working hard to get to every inquiry. We will get in touch with you as soon as we can. So this may take a minute, but everything is alright. Everything is alright now. Let me check if it work or not. Okay, now we are in Coinbase platforms, but be reminded, if Coinbase team review my message, now I can add my payment. If not, it may take long time. As you see from the message, you will waiting for 10 to 60 to 10 how to add the payment method after you sending the message. Now let me try if the team is reviewed or not. Till now the review team is not giving permission to add the payment method, but if you try after 6 hours or after 10 hours, we can add payment method. This is all about how we add a payment method in Coinbase. Thank you for watching.